Before we go further into the details, I want to clarify something because I'm not in the business of advocating for handouts or encouraging dependency on other people. I don't believe in it at all. I believe in the value of hard work and smart work as well as self-sufficiency. But of course, I understand that there are unique situations where individuals find themselves in a tight financial band and they need such financial support to be able to manage the situation, yes, that they are currently in. In my previous video, I shared with you 8. I'm going on 16. So I shared 8 ways to get free money from kind and rich individuals. In today's video, this is a continuation of how to get money from kind and rich individuals. And I'm going to be sharing websites where you can get free money. So come with me, guys. Let's go. So guys, the next website on my list is called Kickstarter.com. Here is how to get on the website and ask for free money. So go ahead and create a project page, and you will provide all the details related to your project. Set a goal as it pertains to how much you want to raise for funding, and then you offer something enticing as a reward to attract potential investors to your idea. Now, the next website on my list is called Crowdfunder. Yes, Crowdfunder. It is a platform that connects entrepreneurs with investors across the world to help fund their businesses. Yes, their business ventures. So whether you need this capital to start a brand new company or you want to invest in an established company, crowdfunder.com allows you to showcase your business and attract potential investors. It is pretty easy to get started, and there are people here on this website that are looking for donations or contributions or even funding for kids' picture books. Yes, that's an example. And you might also need money to start your own restaurant or to launch a food truck business. Whatever it is, you'll be surprised to know that there are people out there who are willing to invest in your business, as long as you have a good plan. And of course, you know I've always got you guys covered. Guys, the next website is a leading global crowdfunding platform that supports projects across a number of categories ranging from technology to food and many more. It offers a place for entrepreneurs, creators, and everyone. They call or if you're a change maker, go ahead and bring your ideas to life, because this is a place for you. The name of the website is called Lily. Go ahead and showcase your project and seek funding from a community of supporters that they already have. Yes. Now, the next website is Seed and Spark. Yes, it is specifically tailored for film and TV projects. It provides filmmakers with the resources and support that they need to bring their stories to the screen. Yes. So whether it's big or small, the Seed and Spark creators raise funds for production, distribution, and marketing their products, and it is very easy to get started on this platform. All you have to do is create a campaign page, outline your film project, set the funding, yes, and engage with enthusiastic and potential backers. Most of them are already on the platform, and they've raised over $49 million US, and it's a great place to place your projects if you want to become the next movie or film producer. Guys, the next website here is called Circle Up. It's the next crowdfunding platform that rich or kind people will give you money for free. And even in some instances, they promise to do something for you. And they focus on helping consumer brands. Yes, they help you raise capital to expand your market reach. What they do is that they offer an opportunity for emerging consumer product companies to connect with accredited investors that are willing to put their money into your dream to get started. So go ahead and visit the page, create a profile, share your brand story, outline your growth plans, and engage within the community. Interested investors can fuel your business expansion with their contribution or investment. The next one here is Rocket Hub. Yes, this one is very versatile because it provides a space for entrepreneurs, artists, and innovators that are seeking funding for different ventures. So whether you have an artistic endeavor or a tech project or even a community initiative, this is the ideal website for you to post your project by creating a campaign page on the actual website. So head over to rockethub.com today. Now, the next one is very popular. In fact, everybody knows it. It is called GoFundMe.com. Basically, whether you want funding for a celebration or graduation or accident or illness, GoFundMe has been used by millions of people to raise money in times of difficulties. And the last one I want to cover today is begging.com. Go ahead and let them know what you need the funds for. People are out there, they are willing to give you money. Yes, they have excess money, and they are actually looking for where to, give some of their money, some of their excess money. So guys, there you have it. Sometimes, like I said, sometimes we find ourselves in tight situations and it's not enough to, work to to pay for whatever emergency that we have. It can be for medical emergency, and that cannot wait. So sometimes I understand that we have pressing wants, pressing needs, and we cannot wait to work to get that money because a lot of things would have gone wrong by the time we are ready. So guys, there you have it. In today's video, I have a giveaway. Yes, I have a giveaway of $100. If $100 makes a difference for you, all you need to do to enter for my own giveaway is simple. Go ahead and add 50 of your friends to my Telegram community. So how do you achieve that? You can send my link to 500 people or 1,000 people so that 50 of them will join my Telegram community. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you have not introduced yourselves, please go ahead and do that. And if you're new to this channel, I want to say big thank you to you. Guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. For God bless you. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Mariam A here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube content creator. On this channel, I share with you ways to make money. So if you want to make money this year, you know what to do. Go ahead and join this family, join this channel, and let's take our dreams to the next level. So guys, if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And I see you guys in my next video. Keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl chassis. And in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you are sweet, you are gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to Express, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now. Love you.